On the coastal highway of Peru, there's a bend in the road no one talks about, a sharp curve that has claimed dozens, maybe hundreds of lives. Locals call it El Curva del Diablo, the Devil's Curve. But what happens there doesn't feel like an accident. Drivers speak of a force pulling at the wheel, twisting it, just enough to take control. They report seeing hands in the mirror, passengers in the back seat, when they were driving alone. And some say they saw a woman, standing by the side of the road, pale, dressed in white, her eyes not blinking. When they stopped, she disappeared. But later that night, she appeared in their dreams, standing closer, whispering something no one can understand, something that won't stop. Police records show repeated accidents at the same location. No bad weather, no speeding, no mechanical failures, but always the same result: crushed cars, empty roads, and drivers found with terror frozen on their faces. Some survivors report losing time, waking up at the bottom of the ravine with no memory of impact. One man said he was driving, then suddenly standing outside his own crashed car, like something had thrown him out before the collision. He never drove again. Priests have been called to bless the road. Crosses now line the edge of the Devil's Curve, each marking another soul lost to something that doesn't want to let them go. Some believe the curve itself is cursed, that it was built over an ancient burial ground. Or maybe it's not the land at all. Maybe something waits there, feeding on fear, on pain, and on the moment before death, when the driver looks in the mirror and sees someone else watching. Tonight, someone will drive through the Devil's Curve, and they won't be alone. The lights will flicker, the wheel will pull, and just before the crash, they'll hear something in the back seat. A breath, a voice, a whisper, saying, "You're mine now."